Hey everyone, today's video will be a look on this pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. I'm going to start off by taking some hair clips and pulling my hair back. I'm going to prep my face with the Beauty Bakerie Wake and Bake baking oil and massage that into the skin. Taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, I'm going to massage that into the skin. I'm going to start off with my brows just because they take forever. Taking the shade Latte by MakeupGeek on a Sigma flat definer brush, I'm going to fill in my brows. Make sure you take a spoolie to brush out your brows and to blend out any product. I'm using some shadows just because my brow pencil is a little too dark for me. I'm going to take MakeupGeek Mocha just to darken my brows a little bit. Now, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Medium 19 on a BH Cosmetics flat definer brush to carve out my brows. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. Now I'm going to do the same steps on the other brow. I'm going to take that same concealer and a Morphe and highlight contour sponge to conceal and prime my eyes for eyeshadow. Make sure that if you use a beauty sponge that it is damp and has been wrung out. I'm going to take MakeupGeek Peach Smoothie on a Sigma E40 fluffy brush and use that to set the eyes. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take MakeupGeek Chickadee on a Sigma E40 fluffy brush and just put that into the crease. Make sure that when you're blending, you're using windshield wiper and circular motions. Just keep blending until you have a good base. Now I'm going to take MakeupGeek Cocoa Bear on a BH Cosmetics number 7 brush and put that into the crease on top of the Chickadee color. I'm sorry that I'm out of frame for most of this video. I'll try to get better at that in the future. Make sure you keep going back and forth in windshield wiper and circular motions and just keep blending it out. I'm going to take more of that cocoa bear color and put that in the outer corner. Make sure you really focus on that outer corner. I'm going to take the Too Faced glitter glue and use that to prime the eyes for the shadow that we will be using. I'm going to take the shade Bro from the Love Melissa Michelle palette and just put that all over the eyelid. I like to apply the shadow with my finger just because it's easier than using a brush. Taking that BH Cosmetics number 7 brush and the shade Blue Bears from the Love Melissa Michelle palette, I'm just going to use that in the crease as a transition color. Now, just taking a regular makeup wipe and wiping off any fallout that I have on my face. Taking MakeupGeek tan lines and desert sands on that Sigma E40 fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff that into the crease. MakeupGeek Bake Sale on my BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. I'm just going to put that into the crease to give it more dimension. Taking MAC Amber Lights on a Royal and Langnickel flat brush, I'm just going to use that to highlight the inner corner of the eye. Taking the shade Let Me Explain by Colourpop on a Sigma flat shader brush, I'm just going to put that on the brow bone to highlight the brow. Taking that BH Cosmetics number 10 brush and that shade Tan Lines, I'm just going to switch between the Sigma and the BH Cosmetics brush and just keep blending them out. Taking the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Matte Foundation, the shade Medium, and that same beauty sponge, I'm just going to buff that into the skin. Flower Beauty Powder Trip Foundation in the shade PP4 and a Tarte brush, I'm just going to use that to set the foundation. Taking the Bakerie Flower Setting Powder in translucent and my beauty sponge, I'm going to use that to bake my face. Take a Tarte fluffy brush in the powder foundation and dust off any baking I have. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette and use the shade Shadow Play to contour my face. Prep for the lips, I'm just going to put on some aquaphor. Now, I'm going to dust the rest of the baking off of my face. I left this one on longer just because it helps prevent creasing. To take Cocoa Bear, Fruit Bears, and Latte and just run that my lower lash line. I'm going to take my Sephora waterproof liner and just tightline my eye. I'm just going to run that eyeliner in my lower waterline really quick. Taking my Jante Blue lip liner in the shade Spice, I'm just going to line and fill in my lips. For my lip color, I'm going to use the MakeupGeek Liquid Lip in the shade Quick Step. This is the completed look with the first lip color without any mascara on. I'm going to take the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara just to coat my lashes. I'm going to take the MAC 3D Black Lash and just coat my lower lashes. I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Birthday Sex Mascara to put another coat on my lashes. I'm going to take the Buxom lip polish in the shade Maria and just put that all over the Quick Step color. This lip color is a little too shiny for me, so I'm just going to mattify it with a little bit of my setting powder. To complete the look, I'm just going to spritz my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and after that, the look is all complete. Anything I mentioned will be linked down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
There's a girl, but I let her get away. It's on my phone.